What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video, guys, it's all about Gala, which has slowly started to pump up in value again, 6% up in the last 24 hours, worth just about 4 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep pumping up in value? As you can see here, we've had a major pump here late last night, and then ever since then it's been fluctuating at its current price range with dips and peaks in between, but no major movements. When is its next pump? How far will it go? Is it going to drop down in value? Is it time to buy it now before it goes up in value? So on and so on. That's what we're going to be covering in today's video, both buyers and sellers point of view. And what can you do right now? Is it time to invest, or should you wait for it to drop back down in value? And of course, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, as well as for the long-term investors over the coming months and overall in 2023, how high can this crypto go? But before I get into all of that, guys, make sure to go down and subscribe to the channel, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up 5%, guys. As you can see here, Bitcoin has pumped up nearly 8% in value, which is absolutely insane. We're seeing green candles after a very long time, especially Bitcoin pumping up 8% is absolutely insane. I haven't seen that in about a couple of months. So yeah, it is a good news for the crypto market, and 2023 so far has been more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So going into the Gala chain here, we can see in the last hour itself, it has more or less fluctuated. Over the last day, 7%. Over the week, 124%, guys. Major increases from about just under 2 cents all the way up to about 4 cents. We did hit 5 cents earlier this week, as you can see here. Let me have a look. Yeah, there we go, 5 cents on the 9th of January, 183% increase, but obviously we have taken a slight dip, and over the month it is still up 61%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has once again gone up by nearly 18%, making it $592 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money currently being traded on Gala. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it has been getting a lot of attention recently, especially over the last 24 hours that it's pumped a little bit. More people will start trading the crypto, buying into it, and also some sellers, short-term traders especially, will be selling it right now and purchasing it whenever it drops back down. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Gala, which is 0.02460. However, it is trading at much higher value here at just above 4 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line slightly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is clearly going the negative direction. So essentially, we've got both the lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting from Gala over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Gala to more or less stay around the 4 cents target, with obviously minimal peaks and dips in between, but again, no major movements are expected other than staying around the 4 cents target for now. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? I'm expecting some bearish directions as well because of the drop that's taken place. Yes, so we do have the blue and the orange line both heading towards the negative direction, looking quite bearish. So again, an overall minimal drop in value is what I'm expecting from Gala over the coming days. So let's say by mid next week, so in a week's time or so, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. But again, when I say drop back down, it's going to be a very minimal drop. As you can see, the lines are not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning it's going to be very minimal. So guys, do expect it to just about drop below the 4 cents target by mid next week. However, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to pump as well over the next 24 to 48 hours. We are likely to see it pump a little bit, heading towards the 5 cents target and then dropping back down below the 4 cents target by early to mid next week as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? Hopefully we do see some bullish lines, and yes guys, we do have the blue and the orange line heading towards the positive direction, looking quite bullish, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Gala over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about late February to early March 2023. I'm expecting Gala to be trading above the 7 to 8 cents target, heading towards 10 cents by mid-March is what my expectations are from Gala. Again, 10 cents may not seem like it's too far off, but again, we have to take into consideration the drops that take place in between as well. So overall, an increase in value is what I'm expecting, but again, nothing major. It is going to be minimal, but as long as we can slowly and steadily increase in value, heading to about the 10 cents target, we should be good to go with Gala. And for those of you asking, is it time to invest into Gala right now? Personally, depending on how much you're going to invest, and also if you're a short-term trader, probably not, because I'm into long-term investing. So yes, for long-term investing, I will probably wait for it to take a little dip before I invest into the crypto. But again, short-term is risky. Yes, you can make money easily as well, but you can also lose it easily as well. So that's why I don't tend to do short-term trading. I'm more into long-term trading when it comes to cryptocurrency, especially because it is a very, very volatile market. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, guys. However, we are getting closer and closer to the green zone, and for us to hit the resistance target here, we're going to have to hit 20 cents in target, which I'm hoping we should be able to hit by mid this year. So around June, July, August time, we should be able to hit the red break out from the red zone, and head into the green zone towards the end of the year, mid-year, and hopefully head into the dark green zone towards the end of this year. But again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs with any major crashes, major pumps, bull runs, and so on. These things will have a major impact on the value of not just Gala but the whole crypto market in general. Anything like that, I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So these are my takes and my predictions on Gala, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Gala to go in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.